Hello, hello, all of you beautiful faces. So today I am unboxing my Macys beauty box, and it is actually my daughter's birthday, and so I am not taking the time to do what I would normally do in a video. I am just simply unboxing it and showing you what I got. So here we go. Their stuff is always packaged so nicely. This comes in this absolutely gorgeous pink paper. So I'm going to open that up and I'm going to slide it all off. Get rid of that. So the first thing I see here, it looks like a brush holder for travel or something. Boy, if brushes was in it, that would be like amazing. But yeah, it's a beautiful brush holder. This is what it looks like on this side. It's a very nice satin gold color. And you just put your brushes in it for travel, and it looks like it's like a vegan type leather. It's very, very beautiful. I think it's for a $15 a month bag. I think that's amazing. The Macys beauty box is $14.99 a month for you that do not know, and I think that's pretty amazing. The next item I see, let's see. I got another, oops, we had to substitute one of your samples, which I tend to get almost every single box, which is starting to become a bummer. And since it's in the bag, I'm guessing it's the Lancome. This is the Lancome Genifique Velux, or I don't know. It's Youth Activating Eye Cream. And what I should have gotten was the Lancome Aqua Gel Defense. I'm actually glad that I got the eye cream. I'd rather have the eye cream instead of it, so that's a happy accident. We got a Fancy Feet by Foot Pedals. This is for the inside of your shoes to make them comfortable. These are pretty amazing, but I don't get to wear heels these days, but I think this is pretty amazing for a $15 box. We got the Ahava Mineral Body Lotion, which we are all probably Ahava'd out, but I don't hate this. I actually use this when I have it, so I actually think it's a great size for the box. We got a Kiehl's Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Radiance Mask, which, where is my, here we are, I'm sorry about that. And let's open it up and see how it smells. Oh, it smells medicinal, but I'll absolutely use it. We got the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin C and Curcuma. It looks like maybe an oil or a gel. I'm not sure if this is like the orange oil that we get, but it's really an adorable little jar, and I think that's a pretty generous sample for Sunday Riley. Love. We got the new retinol ceramide capsules, line erasing night serum, and this is from Elizabeth Arden, and I really wanted to try these. So, and you get actually, let's see how many they give us. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the capsules, which I think is amazing. One for every day of the week. I think that's pretty awesome. I actually love this. I think I like this box more than I like my Glow Addict Beauty box. And then our last thing is Nomade Cologne by Chloe. Not only that, you guys, but I got a $10 off card with mine, and that means I paid $5 for this. So I'm so excited. I already know what I'm going to get with this. I'm going to use the $10 off the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose shimmer powder, the shimmer highlighter that I've been wanting that I didn't get for my birthday, so I'm going to use this for that. So I hope you guys, I absolutely love this box. $10 off. Sunday Riley, Nomade Cologne, Kiehl's, Elizabeth Arden, oops, let's just do the capsule thing. Elizabeth Arden, Ahava, Fancy Feet, Lancome, and a travel brush holder. I mean, this is amazing for $5. Can't beat it. Macys is truly stepping up their game, and I'm so happy I decided to go with their beauty box. I love you guys. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I pray that God keeps you safe in this crazy world we live in. Bye.